So for here we can observe. So don't think. So record two scripts. Why I told means, so you can observe. We need to find the dynamic value means. Find the dynamic value point of view. We need to record the script twice, different stop test data and compare using for the test compare online. Using that you need to compare. After compare, right, we can delete from the one script and only one script only we need. Whatever may be, but you need to, once record is completed, you can do for that. First thing we need to do for the correlation, good thing. Why? Because, so if you done for the parameterization also, so if you not given validation point, so your script is showing for the pass only, but it is a fail. Why? Because validation is not completed. Means the dynamic value you are not handling, your script will be fail. So for example, you can see here. So this script, so I given from the validation point here. So this is the validation function, web breakpoint and some text. So this text where we pick, everyone will be know, right? Login means you can go to the after login, which page you are going. See, you can enter from the username and password and come to the login. So after login, you can take from the any one of the static test of this space. Static test nothing but it doesn't change. Like if you take for the JoJo, it is a static or dynamic.
Static only.
Static.
How? Maybe you are given 10 users. Next time will be some like Rajesh it is come. Then this page you are able to capture.
Depends upon iterations, I think.
No. That is actually that is not a static. So static nothing but these are values like welcome or to the web tour or reservation pages. You can take for the any one of the static test for this.
Okay.
Because this value
Okay.
you are giving as a like username. Like every time user will be not same, right?
Yeah.
So that is why don't take from the that kind of things. Only we need take from the static test of this space. You can take from the flights also it will work. You can take from the search anything. So already I take from the search. And some text is equal to I given here. Okay. So after that you done the correlation user session value. So now we can do for the one more and everyone will also understand the concept, I think. Okay. So now already we identify the what is the next dynamic value? Departure city. So you can copy this dynamic value. Okay. Go to the code generation and come to the control home. Okay. And here you can just remove that and control V and click on file. So now we can observe. So we can take from the Paris. This is not a like our city name. This is different one. You need to check from the our which see it will be look like this Paris, Los Angeles. So now this is the our dynamic value. So you can take from the entire row. What I told right, you can take from the entire row for here. Okay, you can control C and you can go to the output window or like a notepad. What is the value you are copied, right? You can paste from the here. Control V. Now we need to find the left boundary and right boundary. Yes, right? So what is the dynamic value, Babu? Actually, what is the dynamic value in this row? Babu, are you there?
Sir, Paris.
Paris. Okay. So Paris is the our dynamic value. So this Paris left text contain left boundary. Right text contain right boundary. Maybe you can observe we have the two Parises also will be there. Maybe if we consider this, what is the left text? Babu? This is the
Sir,
left text, right?
Before Paris.
Yes. Right text means this. Means if you take from the anything is fine. Like you can take from the this Paris, then boundaries will be changed. If you take this, it will be changed from the boundaries. So you can take from the any one of these. For example, we will take from the, okay, we can consider as only this for now. Okay. Okay, whatever maybe you can take. Okay, this is the I'm considering. Then left boundary what? Up to this is the left boundary. Can give from the left boundary. And the right boundary. After Paris, this is the right boundary. Okay. So very clearly I'm explaining. Don't confuse anyone. Okay. Now find the dynamic value left boundary, right boundary is completed. Next will be function. What is the function, Babu? What is the function? Web underscore
Web save param.
web underscore reg underscore save param. Okay. And in this arguments, parameter name, everything is the double colon, parameter name, comma, and after that LB, comma, RB, comma, last. These all this is the syntax. Now parameter name is, what is the parameter name? Nothing but what is this? Paris? Departure city. You need to give from the same thing here. Departure city. Departure city underscore you are doing for the correlation, right? You can give for the COR. Because someone will be same is okay done from the correlation, and after that here LB is equal. Already LB you can copy paste from the here. RB you can give. Before that in the LB after equal, if it is any dynamic value will be there, sorry, in double colon will be there, we need to give from the black slash. So LB we have one slash, right? You can here only can check it, and after that you can copy this LB entire value, can paste from the in the double colon middle. Okay, and after that this is the RB. After RB equal to any double colon will be there, nothing will be there. So means no need to any syntax. So just you can take from the entire RB value, you can paste from here. So now is like function also ready. Just you can copy this. Where to write the function, that is the important, right? If you go to the script, so actually I told what I told. Actually, this departure city is there in the T4. Where we need to write?
At the place of T1.
No. What I told, T4 is there means you need to skip for the 1 and T3 above you need to write. Okay?
Okay.
Don't write from the every time T1. That is the T2 is there. That is why you are written in the T1 above. Now T4 means where we need to write? T3 above. So that is the one thing. One more way also we can find where we need to write the, like first thing, where to write the function. One more way also will be there. I will explain. Now, once you can find next, you can put the cursor here. Okay. And here come here and you can remove this web underscore, you can click and click on next. And it is showing from the web submit data reservation P1. You need to write from the above this. So you can see the actually exactly what is the request you can observe. So this is the T4. You need to write from the above of the T3. And you need to do from the, this is the way you need to identify that is the one way. And one more way also we have. So you can go to the runtime settings. Okay, you can check from the these three options in the extend loss, in the loss, in the extend loss, you need to give from the these three and save this and replay once. So now our script is up pass. Now we can go to the where to write the function point of view only. I'm explaining. We have the different options. Again, come to the control home. Okay. Here you can search with the what is the dynamic value. You can search with that name. What is our dynamic value? Paris, right? You can copy this. You can search from the Paris. So here it is displaying, right? You can double click in the Paris place. It will highlighting. You can observe everyone 54 line it is highlighting. So means you need to write from the above of that. Everyone able to see it is highlighting or not? You can click on double click. It is highlighting. You need to write from the
Yes.
here your function. So Control D. Sorry, already we are not. You can go to the. Can copy that function. Okay. Okay, this is the way you can write. Now function write also completed. After that, what is the our? We need to replace with the where is the Paris? In that place, we need to replace with the our parameter name is the departure city. If you go to the here and select for this Paris and click on Control H, nothing but replace. So you need to give from the parameter name. How to we can give open curly brace and close curly brace in between? You need to give for the our parameter name. And after that, you can search how many times will be there. You can replace. See, one time it is displayed, replace, and again you can find next. So there is no more values. You can close this. So now entire correlation will be completed. So just will execute one time. Okay, before execute, right? Don't put from the like in runtime settings, everything you can keep put it, right? You are able to see the output to window means it is some junk data, everything it is what are the server side is there, everything will be, it is come. So now you can observe departure city is equal Denver Cape. You can think about it. Actually, we are given from the Paris, but it pick from the which value? Denver. Means why it is Denver is pick means that is the dynamic value. Every time same value it is not pick. Got it, everyone? So same way you need to do from the this area city also. So again I'm doing your understanding point of view. Okay. Again you can copy this. Okay, copy this. Go to the code generation. To find the dynamic value left bound right means you need to go to the code generation, come to the control home, and you can paste from here and click on find next. It will show this. You can copy this line. Again, keep it from the notepad. Notepad. This is there. So for here, what is our dynamic value, Babu? Portland, right? So
Portland.
if you consider this is the left text is the left boundary. Again, you can take from the left boundary. So same value. And right boundary, same value. You can take for this is the same. So means function will be this is the same. Okay, you can copy this. And after that, again, you want to like where to write the means already you are replied, right? You can come to the control home and you can click on here. And again, you can click for the double click. It will assist you where to write the function. It will, you can observe 54 above only we need to write. So our logic also it is the working fine. You can observe. So actually our dynamic value contain where in the T4. We need to write from the one request above means T3 above you need to write. So you can find the thing whatever maybe which way you can convenient you can do this. Okay. Again you can do this and here we can change from the departure city to arrive city. Arrive city. Again we'll execute. I think I'm not replaced. Okay. We'll replace also we can do. Okay. Go to the where we did correlation, right? You can go to there. You can copy this dynamic value. Go to the dynamic value. Okay. And control H. And this place we need to write from the open curly brace. And after that control V, what is the dynamic value parameter name we are given. and you can give from the open curly brace, in curly brace in between, find next. Okay, you can keep from the cursor above and find next, and it is highlighted here. You can click on replace, and if you want any other things, you can check. If you don't have anything, you can close this. Now it is completed. Now execute again. See, now you can observe your script will be passed. You can observe from the output also, means you can go to the output and you can see this. So departure city and error city is picked. So this is fine. Okay, but in drop down, how many values we have? In drop down, how many values we have? We have multiple values, right?
Yeah, 6 up to 6, I think.
Yeah, we have the, we can see we have the more values will be there. So I want from the like different values. Otherwise, I want from the all values. So we have the one argument will be there. In this function only, we need to write from the one argument. So you need to give from the each argument double colon with comma separate. In the double colon place in between, you need to give from the ordinal is equal to all. And if you give for the ordinal is equal to all, what will happen? You can observe. See, just this is also one of the argument. After RB, we are giving ordinal is equal to all. Because what is the ordinal stand for? So when you are given ordinal, it become an array and display for the all the occurrence of the dynamic value. So now we'll execute one more time. Now we'll go to the output window. So everything we can observe in the output window, like what value is picked, everything. For here you can observe departure, C core 1, core 2. How many values will be there? All values is displayed here. How many we have also it will count will be also it will come. See, total will be departure city count will be 20 values will be there. So departure count will be 20 values. So means that is the requirement. Maybe you want from the like all values you can give from the ordinal is equal to all. Maybe I want from the only Denver is the departure city, Yerevan is the Paris. Paris is the which number? 5th number. So Yerevan place also we can give from the ordinal is equal to 5. Then it is picked from the exactly correct value. So ordinal is equal to 1 we can give here because I want from the first occurrence. Like it's Denver. And next we can copy this in the after this, right? You can give for this and ordinal is equal I given for the 5. So when you are given ordinal is equal to 1 or 3 like this means it will capture the occurrence of the value like 5th occurrence, 3rd occurrence, 5th. How many values you have? Which one you want you can pick. See, now we'll observe again one more time. If it is disconnected, please rejoin. Okay. So now again you can go here. So you can observe departure city, Denver, array city is the core. Got it? Everyone got it? So this is the way as per requirement also we can give from the arguments. You have the multiple arguments also will be there. First thing you guys can practice. Everyone is perfect. I will be explain from the more arguments also. Okay.